hapon sir, welcome po sa Newsline Patrol Local TV ng Dinagat Islands. Ano po yung sadya niyo pagpunta po sa Dinagat ngayon sir?
Actually, punta ko ngayong hapon na to ay related doon sa COMELEC, AFP, PNP joint conference for the May 2030 election. Imbitahan po ako ni Provincial COMELEC Officer Manuel Silda to join them here para malaman nila kung ano daw ang magiging transaction namin come 2013 election. Yun lang ang pagpunta ko dito. And at the same time also, while I was here, nagpunta na rin akong sa mga two municipalities, actually San Jose and Basilisa, to make my call to the local chief executive. Just so happened that they are not around, but I made my calls to the Sangguniang Panglungsod.
So ano po yung mga pinaghandaan niyo po ngayon sila sa darating po na election?
Actually, since November, meron na kaming directive from General Headquarters to prepare our plans for the 2013 elections. Submit kami doon ng mga actions na gagawin namin during May 2013. Initially, dahil wala kami forces dito sa Dinagat, part of our plan is to bring in forces to Dinagat if the election officer will direct us to bring in troops to Dinagat. However, kung wala naman magiging problema sa Dinagat sa May 2013, I think the Philippine National Police is in Dinagat is very capable of maintaining yung peace, orderly, elections. And I believe our police forces here in Dinagat is actually more than enough to take care of things here in Dinagat. But of course, we will be directed by the COMELEC officers to bring in troops, and anytime we will be ready to bring in troops to Dinagat.
Okay, thank you very much po sir.